In this video, I'm going to show you how to link XM to TradingView. Now, in case you are familiar with actually connecting brokers to TradingView, you may want to go down here to the bottom over here where it says Trading Panel on your chart, and then you basically pull this up and then you'll be able to find your brokers. However, you may have noticed that there's no XM on the list. So if I look for XM, as you can see, it's not on the list. And that is because you actually don't even have to link XM to TradingView because they've already done that for you. If I go to XM dashboard over here, you can see the chart over here actually is a chart by TradingView, which means you can go ahead and use TradingView directly over here whenever you are trading. Okay, so you can do your technical analysis over here. On the left, you have all your different lines, the text, the measurements, etc. And then you can go ahead and set the different settings just like you'd be able to on TradingView over here. So if I basically close this down, as you can see, it's pretty much the same chart. And then you can go ahead and set the chart settings as well. You can put on indicators, you can change the candles, etc. Okay, so yeah, you don't even have to link it because it is already interlinked, and you can use TradingView right on here on XM without even having to go to tradingview.com. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.